Okay, so how long have we been sitting here? All right, Miranda.
8 o'clock this morning.
How long have you been sitting here?
5 a.m. Oh my God. 5 a.m.
Oh, you're
I'm a little nervous, okay?
Why are you nervous?
Because I really want to get tickets.
Oh wait, Nate.
Hi, Victoria. I'm Nicole. What up, Amina? Are you serious?
Yeah, because I'm the one recording.
I'm Miranda.
Very good. Okay. All right. So what's the objective of all of this? Yeah. There you go. Your objective? What's your objective?
I want to win tickets because my friends think
What's your objective? What's your objective?
win tickets.
My objective is to take over the world.
That would be your objective. I want that video.
Pretty much.
YouTube.
YouTube. Oh man. Oh.